Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 7 Percentage Exercise 7B Question 13. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 20% and denominator is decreased by 5%, the value of the new fraction becomes 5 upon 2. The original fraction is what? Right. So see, it is saying that numerator of the fraction is increased by 20%. So you know that a fraction has two things, right? One is the numerator, one is the denominator, and the numerator will be increased by 20% and denominator will be decreased by 5%. Okay, so we are increasing the numerator, decrease the denominator by the respective values. So the new fraction that we get is 5 by 2. That is there. As you can see here, value of the new fraction is 5 by 2. The original fraction is what? Okay, see here. Let the numerator be x. Okay, so what will happen here? See, and denominator be y, right? Two things we assume. So the fraction will be equal to x upon y. Clear? This is very simple knowledge, right? Numerator is x, denominator is y, so their fraction will be x upon y. Now see here, in the numerator it is equal to x. Numerator is equal to x according to our value. Now it is increased by 20%. So see here carefully, new numerator that we will have, it will be what? X plus 20% of x or not? Yes, that is what? X plus 20 by 100x, right? That is 120x upon 100. Okay, when you see 120, 20% of x is 20x by 100, and in that you add your x, so x will become 100x and 20x here, so 120x upon 100. That will be the new numerator, right? But but you know what is the thing, that 120x by 100 is equal to what? 5. How? From where do we get this 5? From this new fraction, right? Because after increasing the value, a new fraction will come, and after increasing value of the numerator, a new numerator will come. This new numerator will be equal to the numerator of the new fraction. Yes, the value of the numerator is what? 5. That's why this numerator is equal to 5. Simple. When we will calculate the new denominator, we will put it equal to 2. Why? Because denominator has got 2 value in that, right? See now, 120x by 100 equals to 5. This is our equation. From here we will calculate value of x. Look here. Here you should write one more thing, that new fraction, right, is equal to 5 by 2. This value we have. So the numerator will be equal to the numerator of this new fraction. Now solve this. X will be equal to 5 into 100 by 120, right? This is done. Now look here, 100 and 120 that you have, you can simplify. This and this will be cancelled. Okay, and 10 and 12 you can cancel. So this will go 5 times by 2, 12 will go 6 times by 2. So x will be equal to 25 by 6. This is one value. Now we have got value of x and we need to know value of y also, right? Then only we can calculate the value of the fraction that is there, right? Because we know the value of the new fraction, but what is asked is the original fraction that we have assumed as x by y. Now let's move on to y. So as we said that the denominator is equal to y, let's bring it down here. Denominator is equal to y. This we have assumed. So now the new denominator will be y minus 5% of y or not? Yes, because it is decreased by 5%. So decreased by 5% will mean decreased of 5% of the value of the y only, right? The variable will not change here. It will not be 5% of x or something else. Don't make the mistake. Now you can write this down also, y minus 5 by 100 y. Okay, 5% of y, 5 by 100 y. this you can further simplify. You will have 100y minus 5, 100y by 100, okay, minus 5 upon 100y. Now let's bring this question here. So 100 minus 5y, that is 95y upon 100. That is the value, right, of y. But again you can see from the new fraction the value of the denominator is 2 and my denominator is 95y upon 100. So we will put this in the equation. Okay, 95y by 100 is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 into 100 by 95. This will cancel, this will go 20 times, this will go 19 times, right? So value of y is 40 upon 19. Leave it like this. Okay, leave it like this. And here also leave this x like that. Now your question is almost done. We need to find the value of the original fraction. What is the original fraction? X upon y. X upon y. X divided by y. So x value you have got, y value also you have got. So can you find x divided by y? Yes, x by y will be equal to 25 by 6 divided by 40 upon 19. That means 25 by 6 into 19 by 40, right? What will that be? Let's see here. Okay, so this will cancel here, right? You will have what? 25 goes 5 times by 5, 40 goes 8 times by 5. So you have 19 upon 6 into 8, sorry, not 19 here, right? 5 into 9, that is 95 upon 6 into 8, that is what? 48. You cannot simplify this, right? You cannot simplify it any further. This is the final answer, 95 by 48. Option C is correct. Alright, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.